Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed my son's dresser drawers. This is Lance, and this is my workshop. I made these drawers for my son a few years ago, and they look really nice, but they have a major problem. This drawer hits on the bottom like that. This drawer is always falling off the rail. I'm going to try to get these fixed. The problem here is that the drawer is 13.5 inches wide, but the opening is 14 3/4. It's supposed to be only an inch wider, ½ inch for each side. So it's a full 1/4 inch too wide for the drawer. Or the drawer's too narrow for the opening, either way. Now, there's a couple different ways to fix this. I could take this up completely apart, reposition this side in 1/4 inch. One option. For a small one like this, it's not that big of a deal because it's pretty small. But if you had a large one with a lot of drawers, it'd be really real pain to take the whole thing apart and rebuild it. So I'm going to do something slightly different. Instead of making the drawer narrower, I'm going to make the drawer space narrower. I'm going to make the drawer itself a little bit wider. I'll take off this rail here and add in 1/4 inch wide board along this edge. I'll make the drawer a little bit wider. Let's see how that works. So I found a piece of the scrap wood that is exactly a 1/4 inch wide. But it's way too big for what I'm doing. So I'm going to trim down. I got my table saw set at 1 inch. And I'm going to cut that off right there. So now I got it trimmed down. I'm going to glue it on here and attach it with the clamps. Best part in the world, your finger. But don't get on your clothes, it'll take forever to get out. So just get on there, nice and even with the other edge here. There. That won't take very long to dry at all. Well, that's drying. We'll tackle the other one. So let's see. It hits when it goes in. What is the problem here? Well, this one I'm not sure I can fix the drawer itself. If I cut the bottom of the edge of the drawer off here to make it fit on the bottom, there's going to be a huge gap on top. Let's see, how am I going to fix this? Well, one option is to unscrew these and raise them up just a smidge. Wouldn't take much. But the holes probably go back in the same, the screws probably go back in the same holes they're already in, so I'm not sure how well that's going to work. What else can I do? I need to raise the drawer a little bit. Raise the drawer. If I lowered these a little bit, put a shim underneath these, that would eventually raise the drawer up just a little bit. Let's see if I got for that. So I found a piece of this same material that the bottom is made out right now. So I'll just cut it down in half and put one on each side. That should do it. So for this, I'm just using my inner nailer to attach them. That's pretty good. I had to do one more before just for good measure. There you go. Now I'll attach the rail back on here and see how it fits. So, this one fits better now. Pretty good. I got the clamps off this one. Now before I had the rail attached to the top, or to the bottom rather, here, that's really close to the edge of this. I add it on. So instead, I'll use the holes on the side to attach it. So, we'll see how that works. Alright, well, crud monkeys. As far as it goes. Alright, I'll go back to the drawing board. Well, since I glued that side piece on, it was a pain to get it off. I got it off. Repositioned. Because I did, took the screws out, readjusted the side a little bit, just a smidge. Just a little tiny bit. Now it works. Let me use my, I got a router bit I should turn that dart down with. So, turn that up a little bit, lines up now. Both of those work. This is Lance in my workshop. Thanks for watching.